Hello and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to be talking about some screen recording alternatives so that if you have to record your screen to send a video maybe to tech support for them to kind of see your issue, these are some of the alternatives that you can use. Traditionally, we would use the Solidworks Rx tool. I have a number of different versions installed here, but I'm going to be taking a look at Rx 2020. And I would simply go to the Problem Capture tab. The very first step in creating an Rx file is to capture the problem. It's also going to be grabbing some system information about my computer that can help in the troubleshooting process. The capture options are the first step, like I mentioned, and it allows you to record a video of whether you're looking at SOLIDWORKS, your monitor itself, or any attached monitors. SOLIDWORKS 2020 allows for recording of SOLIDWORKS Electrical. Previous versions, you would have to use some type of third-party software to do the recording. If I choose to record SOLIDWORKS, I can also choose the option Include Extended Logging Data, and what that does is it will continue to record any logging data after the session is closed, as when I close the recording software, it also closes the session of SOLIDWORKS. This is what the recording function looks like in SOLIDWORKS. It's essentially a little window with record, restart, pause, and stop and finish functionalities to create your recording. Once you start recording, you can essentially perform the tasks that create the issue. Maybe it's opening a certain function or something like that within a part or an assembly. And once done, I can click finish, and it should close and indicate that I've finished that first step. A popular software that actually a lot of tech support users use is Camtasia, and we use it here at our office pretty primarily. We also utilize a free software known as Rx. This allows you to create screenshots, simple videos, as well as animated GIFs. If you also utilize a Windows functionality, if you press the Windows key plus G, it opens up the gaming mode, which does have some screen recording and capture technology. It also gives you some information on things like your CPU and GPU performance and even volume control. Of course, a classic Windows tool to use is the snipping tool. Although it doesn't record video, it does allow you to snap pictures and images of the screen itself. Very easy to use, and actually within Windows 10 it is moving to a new version of this tool known as Snip and Sketch. There are a number of other free-to-use recording software and tools to create some type of recording or snap some pictures to help get your point across of SOLIDWORKS to either another user or possibly to tech support. If you have any further questions, you can contact us at the information below.